Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change name on AliExpress. Keep watching the video till the end. To change name on AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Click on Account button at the bottom right side of the page. On the next page, tap on your profile name at the top left side of the screen. To change your name on AliExpress, click on Edit option right next to your profile name. Now all you need to do is tap on Name, edit your name and click on Save. This is how you can change your name on AliExpress account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.